keep it still for you.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Hang on a second. It looks like it's blocked right there.
Sorry. It just the cockroach just make me skitter.
There it goes. I just let all of it out.
Oh, that was water?
Sewage.
I thought that was concrete. Jesus.
No, I just unstopped the line with the probe.
Oh,
It was blocked up at the inlet pipe going into the tank. It was full of paper.
full of paper.
Yep, now everything's gonna work. You wanna go in and flush the toilets?
Yeah.
Now, is the bowl water really low in the toilet?
Oh, mine is gone completely.
Okay, so the first flush is gonna be weak. Let it fill up again so the bowl water gets to the right height and do another flush.
Okay.
All right, I'll be out here, I'm gonna watch.
Okay.
Let me know how it flushes, but the second flush will be the better one.
Gotcha. I'll be right back. Man.
Is it smelly?
Yeah.
It is, right?
Yeah. I'll be right back.
Water level's a little high. It's riding high. Right at the bottom of that pipe. Sectional tank.